Hi everyone, my name is Jane and welcome to Loopy Mabel's Closet. In this video it's all about a sewing collaboration that I'm doing with the lovely Rosie from Rosy Sews Modern Vintage, and it's a lovely hashtag we've created called Swap Share Sew, and I'm excited to share it with you. Before I begin, I'll just let you know about what I'm wearing and what Mabel's wearing today. I'm wearing a bit of crochet and a bit of dressmaking today. I'm wearing a self-drafted chambray tunic style dress that I created just from another blouse that I had. Added a couple of pockets because you can never have too many pockets, and just a simple v-neck and just some 3/4 length sleeves. And I've got my crochet Mabel pattern, which is this shoulder snug that you can get the tutorial and the PDF pattern over on my Loopy Mabel crochet channel. And I've also got on my raggy brooch that I've used that you make from fabric scraps, and there's also a tutorial for that as well, so I'll put the links for them up there. And Mabel is wearing crochet and dressmaking again. This is the dress, the ruffle sleeved blouse that I made. I did a vlog on that and I really enjoyed making this. It was out of some old my nana's old bark cloth curtains, and that is the fabric there. Loved making that, really simple. And then she's got my new crochet design, Autumn Rain poncho wrap, which I'm just preparing to do a tutorial for that over on Loopy Mabel Crochet. So if you're into crochet as well, please join me over there for the tutorial on this great new design that I've just come up with. So that's what we're wearing today. Yes, so back to the sewing challenge. So myself and Rosie from Rosy Sews Modern Vintage, she also has a YouTube channel. We got together and we wanted to do a collaboration with a sewing challenge involved between each other. We've both got lots of fabric in our stash. We've both got lots of sewing patterns that we've yet to make, and we've both got lots of haberdashery items and sewing notions. So we wanted to keep on the frugal theme and obviously be more aware of our fabric waste, so we didn't want any cost involved. So we set up the hashtag Swap Share Sew. So in that challenge we had to send each other a secret parcel in the post with some of our very own haberdashery items that we wanted the other person to incorporate in their sewing challenge. So here's my sewing challenge from the lovely Rosie.
Hey Jane, it's Rosie here from Rosy Sews Modern Vintage. I'm so excited that we're doing this Swap Share Sew challenge together. I can't wait to see what we come up with. I've had a look through your patterns that you sent me all the photographs of, and I have chosen for you the Nina Lee Bloomsbury blouse. I think you're going to look gorgeous in this, and the frill is just so pretty. I think it will really suit you. The fabric that you've chosen I think will look fabulous with it, so I cannot wait to see them all sewn up together. By now you will hopefully have received my little parcel of goodies, of little sewing notions and haberdashery items that I would love if you could try and include in your make. So please have a go and let me know how you get on. Lots of love, see you soon, bye.
So thank you, Rosie. So she has picked for me the lovely Bloomsbury blouse by Nina Lee, which is a pattern I've been wanting to make for absolutely ages but never got round to it. So I can't wait to get going on that. And the fabric that I had shown her was this gorgeous fabric that I got from lamazifabrics.com, and it is this fabulous viscose rayon floral, hold it up so you can see it, floral prettiness, and it's got oranges and greens and turquoise, and I just absolutely love it. And I've had it quite a while, and I think I've got, let's see how much I got. I think I've got 2 meters of this. So Rosie thought this fabric would go absolutely perfectly with the Nina Lee Bloomsbury pattern, and that is the pattern there. So I hope you can see that okay, and it's absolutely gorgeous, right up my street, my type of style. Bit of vintage flair to it, and it's got gorgeous ruffle yoke, and it's got buttons down the back, and it's got the high neck with again ruffles on the neck and some sort of ruffle detail on the sleeves. So she chose that pattern for me, and I think she's made an absolutely brilliant choice for this fabric. As I say, it's a viscose rayon blend, so it's got a lovely drape to it. And if you want to know what fabric it is an art gallery fabric, and it's called Blue Bank Flora. And it's really, really pretty. Yeah, so it's not normally a colour I would go for, blues. She says wearing all blue today. I normally go for greens and muted colours, old rose colours, and you know, all the old-fashioned colours. So I am this year in my handmade wardrobe trying to maybe do things or wear things colours that I wouldn't normally go for, just to see exactly what my style is, because I'm still learning really what my style is in dressmaking. And blue isn't a colour I normally go for, so I thought, well, try something, and I really do like it. Obviously it's got other colours in it, but the main colour is the blue, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So that is going to be made into that. And obviously I've got my little parcel that she sent me in the post with all little notions and haberdashery goodies that she sent me, which I have to use as part of the challenge in the Bloomsbury blouse. So she sent me some really pretty buttons that all different and different colours, but there's blue, it's hard to show you, but there's blue, green and blues, and little polka dots and a check and another check, all different colours, but all the colours that would pick out in the blouse. So thank you, Rosie, for that. And they will obviously, I will add them to the back part of the blouse. And then she's also sent me, I'm not sure how much, but it looks about 2 meters worth of gorgeous cream cotton lace. Isn't that gorgeous? And I think there's enough there to, I'm not sure there'll be enough to go around the yoke detail on the blouse. But there's definitely going to be enough for me maybe to add it to the neck detailing, and most definitely the cuff detailing. And if there's anything left, I will add it somewhere in the blouse. Don't want to waste it, so that's my challenge too, no waste. So let's see how much I can get into the blouse. And then she's also sent me a gorgeous little yes, I made this sewing tag, so obviously I'll add that too. And then she's made, I think she's made, I'm not sure, this cute little pin fabric brooch that she's sent me, and it's got these gorgeous little blue shoes with red bows on. How sweet is that? And on the back, little gingham backing with a little obviously pin for me to wear, and I think that's going to go absolutely gorgeous on the front. I'll pin it to the front of the blouse. So how exciting is this challenge? So she's picked for me the Nina Lee blouse, the Bloomsbury blouse. I've obviously got the fabric that was already in my stash, and she's chosen this gorgeous fabric to go with the pattern I already had, so nothing bought, no expense. She sent me these gorgeous little haberdashery challenge notions for me to add into it, so again, no cost involved. All I've got to do now in the challenge is obviously put it all together, sew it, add all these lovely little items into it, and then share with you in another vlog what it looks like. So I've done exactly the same for Rosie. I've sent her a challenge and I've sent her a little parcel in the post, and I'd like her to incorporate those items. So for you to go and see the challenge I've set Rosie, you can need to go and pop over to her channel, Rosy Sews Modern Vintage, and then you'll see what I have set her. So this is our hashtag challenge. So it's swap, share, sew. All about being frugal, all about sharing in the sewing community, swapping ideas, sharing what we've already got, no waste, no cost if we can keep it to a minimum, which we have. The only cost involved so far is the postage for us to send our little parcels to each other. One of the other main reasons though that we set up this lovely challenge was we wanted to share our sewing with like-minded people in the sewing community. By me sending Rosie that little parcel of goodies, she's going to wear, or she's going to make something that has items that I have sent her, and vice versa for me. So when I wear my blouse, it's going to have, always have, items that were shared to me from somebody else who loves dressmaking. So we're hoping that this lovely hashtag swap, share, sew will be shared by other people and will encourage you to make new sewing friends, swap something that you have in your notions, in your haberdashery, in your stash with somebody else. And how good is that? So what we're hoping to do is for this hashtag to continue to grow, and we're going to hopefully try and get people who are interested to take part in the challenges. We're hopefully going to get you to link up with another sewing buddy and share and swap and create and get to know somebody else, and therefore we will widen our social network and hopefully make new sewing friends, new sewing sisters. And also the other thing about this challenge, which is really important for me anyway, is that if you're anything like me, I work from home now. I gave up my job 10-15 years ago to look after my husband. Since then, my obviously social networking, my social circle has completely gone. I mean, yeah, it has, to be honest. And I don't have that many friends these days because of my lifestyle, and I spend a lot of time at home. And obviously, you know, I'm just not out there to mix with friends like I used to. So being part of this sewing community is like giving me the friends, sewing friends that I didn't have, and it's so lovely because there's lots of like-minded people out there. You watch these videos and obviously you're in the same boat as me. You obviously enjoy sewing or you enjoy dressmaking, and it's just lovely to have people that communicate with me and chat with me. And I've got like Rosie now, who I've been collaborating with, and all the other lovely sewing vloggers on the sewing vloggers group that I'm part of on Facebook, and it's just lovely. And so hopefully if you're in the same position as me, that maybe you don't get out as much and you feel a little bit isolated as I do sometimes, then this is ideal. So with this hashtag, we're hopefully going to grow it. If you want to take part, we are going to buddy you up with another like-minded dressmaker, and you'll be then sharing and chatting and hopefully enjoying the challenge. So that is really quite important to me too. So I know now whenever I wear my Bloomsbury blouse when it's made, that it will have these pretty little things that Rosie has sent me. It's going to be part of the blouse, so whenever I wear it, I'm going to be reminded of Rosie, and hopefully Rosie will be able to say the same for when she makes her challenge I set her. So how lovely is that? So I hope you like this video. Hope you're excited to see what we both make. Obviously, please go and check out Rosie's challenge too, and we shall be back with another vlog on what we created. So if you did like this video, please don't forget to give me that lovely thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed and you like what I create and my video content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to pop over, if you like crochet and you like my crochet designs, don't forget to pop over to my other channel, Loopy Mabel Crochet, and obviously subscribe there too if you like crochet. But that's it for the moment, so I'm off to go and put my pattern together and start cutting out, and I shall see you in the next video of how I got on. So for the moment, please take care and happy sewing.